In this video, we will show you how to use the Focus and Suggest Content mode to assign students to specific areas of the First in Math program. When a student first logs into First in Math, their focus mode will automatically be set to their assigned grade level. However, the teacher does have the ability to narrow or widen these parameters. From the teacher homepage, click on the Focus link. At the top is where you will see the current assigned level for your team. You may add or remove levels here. If you want to assign levels to a specific student, click on their username. For example, you could provide enrichment to a third grader by opening up the intermediate level, or you could provide them remediation by opening up K2 World in the early focus. Teachers now have the ability to suggest content to students in various ways, whether it's through the First in Math program or third-party platforms. The first way is using the Suggest Content link on the teacher homepage. This will take you to the standards correlation arranged by grade level. Each grade level shows you the games that correlate to the standards. From here, you can choose the games you want your students to play by clicking on the box beside the game. You can copy them to the clipboard and then paste them in a message to the students through the My Team assessment page. This checkbox shows that all students are selected to receive this message. Click on the mail icon beside Team Players. When you click that, the games you choose appear in the message box. Feel free to type a personal message like, "Please complete these games by noon on Friday." When you're ready to send, click Send the message. This message will show up for students in their mailbox, which they should be encouraged to check daily. When they click on their mail icon, their notifications will pop up, and links to the assigned games will be there to take them directly to the activity. Another way for content to be suggested is by using the Content by Module and Games link. This is where you'll need to go if you want to assign any of the word problems in the Know and Show modules. Just like before, you can choose specific content. For example, you may want to assign the addition and subtraction VIFs, plus word problems in Know and Show 3. Again, click Copy to Clipboard and go to My Team assessment page. This message can be sent to all players if every box is checked, or you may send it to specific players by clicking the envelope next to their name. The Suggest Content mode can also be accessed through the assessment reports from your teacher homepage. Click on the First in Math module that you would like to create your assignments from. You will notice an S in a purple circle above each game. Click on this circle to copy that assignment. If you would like to copy more than one game, just use the Control button on your PC or the Command button on a Mac and select the games you would like to suggest. Once your games are selected, you can now assign them to either the whole class or to individuals. To assign areas of play to the entire class, all the student boxes must be selected before clicking on the mail icon beside Team Players. Now you can simply toggle between First in Math modules to assign content. Any copied to clipboard content can also be posted to any other digital platform a teacher uses. For example, this can be posted in a Google Classroom or Seesaw Classroom and take students directly to the game you've assigned. If you're looking for ways to reinforce concepts you're currently teaching in the classroom, the Focus and Suggest Content mode might be just the tool you need.